All right, so we're back. And she got this bit done. Let's see. I'm going to press next and see what it asks us to do.
Okay, now we have to get this humongous piece. I believe it's this piece.
Are you sure it's not the same piece, just in reverse, like the mirrored bit? The one you had in the beginning? Are you sure it's not this bit?
No, I'm pretty sure it might be. I don't know. Maybe. Let's try.
There you go. Yep. That looks about right.
Okay, it is the mirrored piece. Oops.
That's okay. It's easy to get confused in the beginning with these things.
Okay, now we have to get the super, super duper tiny ones and stick them in there.
Cool. All right.
So, this.
Are you sure it's there, not on the other side?
The short one.
I don't know.
It is, Dad.
No, that's the correct one, but it's. I don't think you're putting it in the right one. So this is the correct part, but I don't think it should be going on the top there.
It is.
It's reversed.
Okay, fine. I just noticed. And now it's hard to get out.
That always happens.
No, Dad.
I found another piece.
Okay, thank you. Okay, I guess I'll just put it in the front part right